Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 7.6 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website. It is tails.net and download. Click on install Tails. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.6. Then scroll down, click on this burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.6 ISO image. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name Tails 76 VMO. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down, select other, then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, and OS version as Debian. So don't select this, proceed with alternative installation. Then specify hardware information. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. It is up to you. Number of CPU cores I am giving 2. Hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. This is virtual hard disk. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same to change the settings. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.6, and hit enter. See, welcome to Tails. Now you have to set these options: language, keyboard layout, formats. I am going to keep these defaults. If you want to create persistent storage, you need to just turn on this one. It is up to you. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See here, these are the additional settings and these are the default values. Now set the password for administration. Click on it. Remember this password, later we need this password. Then click on add. The same way, if you want to change these values, just you need to click on and you have to change. I am not going to change. Cancel it. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. If you want to connect to tar automatically, select this one. Then click on connect to tar. Now open terminal or console. Verify the version /etc OS-release. See, we have installed 7.6, and also see here we have successfully connected to tar. Click on start tar browser. See, we got the tar browser. The first step after connecting to tar browser is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administrator that we have set. See, it is successfully updating. So in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 7.6 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.